This is the 2011-2017 Honda Odyssey. Before we get started, let me give a quick shout out to Mia Max Automotive for letting us use the car. They're a used car dealer here in Toronto. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Let's go ahead and open up the lift gate. Right there underneath the lift gate. That's where the panel is. Okay, let's check again. That's the lights right there. The access panel is right over there. Yep, that's the one. Now you see there's a slight notch on the side. We need a flathead screwdriver to put in that notch and then use that to pry the panel off. So let's get the screwdriver, put it in the notch, pry the panel off. It'll come right off easily. Yep, just like that. Keep the panel somewhere safe. You see there are two bulb holders. The lower one, the off-white colored one, not the gray one. Grab it, twist it left, and it's loose. That's it. Now it comes right off. In order to get the bulb off, all you have to do is just grab it, take it out, and now let's go ahead and take a closer look at it. You can see it's a simple single filament bulb. The bulb replacement size is right there on it, 168. So you can get 168 or 194, either one of them works. Get the new bulb and simply push it in, and now it's locked. When you put in the bulb holder back in, you see there's a notch over there, the one that's slightly bigger, that aligns with the notch over there in the light itself. Align them both so that way the bulb holder just sits right and just sits flush, just like that. All you have to do is just twist it right just a little bit and it's locked in place. Put the top edge in first with that big tab that's sticking out. Yeah, slide that in first and then align everything, push it, and it's clipped. That's it. Hope you found the video useful.